is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my home office. I love having you here. I get in and out of these videos really quick. I don't give you a lot of garbage. The only thing you need to know about me, I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 41 years. I was the IRS, unlike other people that you'll see. A lot of people practice at resolution by what their experiences are from different clients, but I was the IRS, so I'm telling you from every perspective, both the tax defense side and the IRS agent side. I've been on all the nationals. Just go to my website and learn about me, 777irs.com. I don't take my time to do this. I want to talk to you about IRS tax debt forgiveness and how this program can save you thousands and thousands of dollars. Here's the problem today. I'm writing a book on this, by the way. The book will be out in 3 months. Myself and Peter Salinger, I talk about the IRS tax debt resolution. He will tell you how to go ahead and get an offer and compromise through. But anyway, in the meantime, what you have to realize is there's a lot of garbage out there about tax debt settlements. I would say that 90% of the people out there have no idea how to qualify for the offer and compromise because they have people who don't know offers well put them in. A matter of fact, only 13,000 in all the United States were accepted last year. My guess is they were really prepared by top level people because they're hard to get through. IRS makes offers and compromise really difficult. They just do. There's pages and pages, the 433A OIC. It's a business, the 433B OIC. Then you have the 656, you have everything, and the average person is looking and say, what the hell, WTF, what am I going to do with this? Well, if you don't owe a lot of money, go through the papers and send them yourself. You really have nothing to lose. Here's what you have to lose if this is wrong. You're going to lose your 20%, and IRS is going to have a paper trail right into your financial life. You must know the offer program. And basically, everything centers around the financial statement you give to IRS. You need to make sure that financial statement is square before someone like me who worked at IRS. I'm going to know in 15 seconds reviewing your financials. Literally, I do these real. I know you're going to say, oh, this is like crazy. Probably 8 or 9 seconds. I can tell you whether your offer is going to go through. The tax debt forgiveness program can work for you if you understand the IRS offer and compromise program and centers around they're looking at two things, your assets and your income and expenses. That's what they're looking at. That's what they concentrate. And the big hiccup here is IRS applying their national standards to your expenses. What people don't realize, IRS is not going to accept your expenses. They're going to put theirs in for the 4 major categories. Look up the IRS national standards for food and clothing, housing, utilities, car payments, and car expenses, and then you will begin to understand what IRS is going to do. Be careful. If you submit that offer, you're going to lose 20%. Tax debt forgiveness can work for you, and you can save hundreds of thousands of dollars. Make sure that you're eligible. I work the offer and compromise program. I'm an expert in this, so I'm just kind of letting you know. Do your lot of due diligence. Call me if you need me. Believe it or not, I answer my own phone. I do not have a secretary. I purposely don't do this. My practice doesn't work like that. Yes, I answer calls all the day, but I know what I'm doing. Give me a subscription. I always give you the insider stuff, and I have really cool stories to tell you too. Thank you for listening.